Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off easy mode. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Special Features. Then tap on Simple Mode located at the bottom. Hit Enter Simple Mode. And as you can see, after a couple of seconds, Easy Mode is on. If you want to go back to the standard one, click on Settings again and tap on Exit Simple Mode at the bottom. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!